Hey guys, I'm Flo, and as part of the Fufu Recipes Marathon, today we'll be making oatmeal fufu. Oats are one of the healthiest grains. It's gluten-free and high in fiber, making it a great ingredient for making fufu for those who want to maintain a healthy weight. The way it works is that a small quantity fills you up quickly, making you feel fuller, hence will help you eat less. There are whole oats and ground oats. This one here is the most common one in Nigeria. If you will be eating oatmeal fufu often, it's best to buy the ground oats. But if you can only buy these two where you live, no wahala. Just blend the oatmeal with your dry meal, spice grinder or coffee grinder, and you have ground oats. And top tip, do you know that oatmeal, especially the Quaker Oats brand, is a great alternative for cocoyam when thickening Nigerian soups? Check out my video where I prepared bitter leaf soup using Quaker Oats as thickener. You will not know that I did not use cocoyam to prepare that soup. The same applies to ora soup. The link should pop up on the screen right now. To make oatmeal fufu, you need the ground oatmeal and water. To measure the quantity I can finish, I use the reverse technique. I do not measure the oat flour. Rather, I use the water as a gauge. From experience, I know that I can comfortably finish oatmeal fufu made with 1.5 cups of water. I'm using the standard measuring cup. Pour the water into a sizable pot and leave it to boil. When it boils, I turn down the heat to low. Then start adding the oatmeal flour by continuously sprinkling it into the water while stirring at the same time. Don't add too much, just sprinkle it continuously. Once I notice the first signs of resistance on the spatula, that is as the mixture is getting thicker, I stop adding the ground oats immediately, but continue mixing till I get a smooth dough. Mix it hard though, with all your manpower or woman power. When you're happy, add a few drops of water. Cover and let it steam for about 1 minute. Mix again till well combined and it is ready. Wrap with a cling film so it does not dry out. I just love the way oatmeal fufu slides down the throat. It's the most satisfying feeling and it does not feel like you are eating oatmeal. Serve with any Nigerian soup. Bye bye. See you soon.